Hello friends, my name is Jimmy. Today I'll be telling you about my body and its different parts. As you all might already know that, our body is divided into three main parts. First comes the topmost part of our body, and we know it as our head. Second is the middle portion of our body. And on number 3 comes our legs, which is in fact the lower portion of our body. Now, let's discuss our head and its parts. Actually, the forehead is the bone of our skull above our eyes, which protects our brain from any injury. Our forehead also helps us to express our feelings in a more effective way. The main function of nose is breathing. Well, we also use it to smell different things, like the yummy smell of mum's baking, or the bad smell coming from the trash can. Mouth is a very important part of our upper body. It helps us to eat, drink, speak, and to give different expressions. Like a happy face when we are happy, or a sad face when we don't feel good about something or someone. Our neck supports the weight of our head. It also helps us to turn our head if we want to look at someone or something. Our eyes are made of many parts. It works like a digital camera, allowing us to see the beautiful world all around us. Another function of the eyes to produce tears. Tears are important in maintaining healthy eyes. They nourish and lubricate the surface of the eye by washing away all the dirt. Our ears are made of tough cartilage covered by skin. Their main job is to gather sounds and funnel them to the middle ear. In simple words, they give us the ability to hear all the sounds around us. The interesting thing about the chin is that it helps our mouth while speaking and chewing food while eating. Our hair protects us from intense weather conditions. They provide us with a cushion in case we bump our head. They also make us look nice. I can't imagine myself without any hair on my head. This is not the end. It is just the beginning. If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website, sfpublishers.net, to discover more.